Hello, this is the wise owl coming at you from the city where I live. There are many ways to remember the chemical symbols and atomic numbers from the periodic table of elements, many pneumatic devices you can use. One way I use is to, it's like an association, kind of a game or study game, in which I take the names of people or myself, my name or people's name, first name, middle initials, middle name, last name, title, whatever, and I try to put them into chemical symbols. And once you have the chemical symbols, you can write down the atomic numbers of those symbols. This is just a way to facilitate it. It takes a lot. It takes some time to practice this and to memorize it. But anybody, you have a lot of friends, maybe a teacher or a policeman or a fireman or a grocer, or anybody that may have a name. Even your pets have a name. But let's take the people. So let's take, for example, the name Curby, capital C-U-R-B-Y, okay? You got the capital C and a small u with an atomic number of 29. Now, capital C and a small u is the chemical symbol for copper, capital C-O-P-P-E-R, and that is the atomic number 29. Then we got the chemical symbol of capital R and a B, with an atomic number of 37. Now, capital RB is a chemical symbol for rubidium. Okay, rubidium. Some will pronounce it rubidium, but it's rubidium, which is capital R-U-B-I-D-I-U-M. You got it? And there you go. And then we got yttrium with the atomic number of 39. And that's spelled capital Y-T-T-R-I-U-M, and you got the name Curby. Now, Curby can be spelled in another way. You can separate the large L, the capital C, and the small u separated, and you have a capital U. So you have two chemical symbols. You have the chemical symbol of capital C, which is carbon, with an atomic number of 6, and that's spelled capital C-A-R-B-O-N. And then you got the capital U with atomic number of 92 for uranium, which is spelled capital U-R-A-N-I-U-M. And as you can see here, and everything stays the same. The rubidium stays the same, and the yttrium stays the same. But only the Cu has been changed. Then we got the name Ruby, R-U-B-Y. So we got the capital R and a small u, chemical symbol with atomic number of 44, and capital U and a small u. I mean capital R and a small u. Capital R and a small u is for the element's name of Ruthenium. Capital R-U-T-H-E-N-I-U-M. Ruthenium, or Ruthenium if you want to call it that. Okay. So we got capital R and small u. Then we got capital B for boron, atomic number 5, and that's capital B-O-R-O-N, boron. And you got it right here. Then you got Y again, like here. Like Curby, we got the 39 for yttrium. We got the same thing here, capital Y. 39 for yttrium, all right? And that's spelled capital Y-T-T-R-I-U-M. Then we got the name Browne, capital B-R-O-W-N-E. So we got from Browne we get capital B and a small r, which is 35, atomic number. And capital B and the R is the chemical symbol for bromine. B-R-O-M-I-N-E, bromine. And bromine, if you look at the periodic table of elements, it's liquid. I guess at room temperature, it's liquid. Then again, it can go many ways. It can go two ways here. But bromine is liquid at room temperature. Just look at your periodic table of elements, and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right. Then you got the O for oxygen. Bromine has a 35 atomic number. Just go to the periodic table of elements, and go to number 35, and you see capital BR for bromine. And then you got capital O for oxygen. That's a chemical symbol for oxygen. And you got the atomic number of 8. And oxygen is spelled capital OXYGEN. Then we got capital W for tungsten, which is the atomic number of 74. Tungsten is spelled capital TUNG STEN, capital TUNGSTEN. Now be careful. W is a chemical symbol for tungsten, although tungsten begins with a T. All right, be careful. It's from a foreign language, from a foreign country. The name. Okay, so all right. If you go to my Wise Owl 2 site or channel, I talk about tungsten and where the element got its name. All right, and why the symbol is W. Okay, you'll find out if you go to my channel. Then you got Ne. We took the N and we made it to capital N and a small e. The atomic number 10 for neon. Now neon is if you look at your periodic table of elements, you see in the column. I think it's the first one. Is it? Yeah, the column. No, it's just number 10. It's number 10. It's a noble gas. A noble gas. Look at a column of noble gas. You see Ne, neon. Yeah, neon will be the second. Noble gas. Okay. The first is helium. And then you got, from helium, then you go below helium, you got neon. It works that way. All right? Just to let you know. I don't want to mislead you in anything. Okay? So Ne. All right? So that's it. New names, new chemical symbols, new atomic numbers. If you want to just do the chemical symbols, just cover the numbers like this. The atomic numbers like this, and you got chemical symbols. Chemical symbols. You want atomic numbers? The opposite, like this. That easy. All right? This is Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the city where I live. Before I say over and out, go to the description box below, and all this will be written down like this. All right? All right. Have a pleasant day or night. Over and out.